Hi, Avery. All right, let's check your work. For task 1, conducted a survey. That was complete. But number 2, part of task 1, which was save each survey result as pages 1 through 8 of your appendices, your project's appendix, that was not completed. So you submitted 2 different files instead of putting your surveys at the end of your presentation. So as you can see, that's 15 points for that task. Task 2 explained a minimum of 5 sales promotion ideas to reach the potential target market. Your presentation looks great visually. However, you have 2 promotion ideas instead of 5. So what you did was on your first 4 sales promotion ideas, they were actually all sales. So you described different types of sales, 20% off, discount for this, price reduction. So what you did essentially was you described the same promotion idea 4 different times. So as you can see here, it says ideas to reach the target market. So your 5th strategy, which was charity, that was a different strategy outside of a sale. So when you go back and edit this before putting together your final presentation, just make sure that you go in and you actually add different promotional ideas. And the examples are given in the text. Direct mail, personal selling. So those are different promotion ideas. Okay. Let's see. That was done. Bulleted list, that was done. You did a great job in this area as far as communicating your message. Now, right here for format, you did not combine all portions of the assignment in one document. You actually had 2 different documents again, so that's 10 points for format. And as far as MLA format, I did not see any citation or a reference list. So other than that, it looks great. Let's go through it again just to check. Again, you're talking about a sale here. Buy 1, get 1 free. So again, this is still sale. Coupon, discount, this is still sale. Recurring sale, this is still a sale. Okay, here you talk about an event, like an anniversary sale. Okay. And causes and charity. So this was something different. This was an actual different promotion strategy. But again, that's the last slide. There's no citation. There's no reference list to show where you got any of your information from or whether or not you did any research. Visually very strong, but moving forward, please work on formatting and making sure that each section of the rubric is followed. Thanks for sharing.